Vivaia shoes. 2 different shoes worn 2 different ways. This is the Audrey loafer, a round toe embroidered loafer with the cute little dog image on the front. It has heel padding for comfort and an elastic knit texture. It's super comfortable and can be worn any time of the year, including the summer when you're outside reading a wonderful poetry book. My dog Pepe absolutely loves these shoes, and so do I. The Ryan boot is one of their top-selling boots. It's a very classic and wearable design you can have with your pastries. It's water repellent, foldable and portable, made from recyclable plastic bottles. It's ultra lightweight and its heel padded design is super comfortable. It can be worn during the summer, or you can dress it up with a bright coat like I did here. Check out Vivaia shoes at vivaia.com with their many beautiful and affordable styles. I absolutely love these shoes.